This is Jeff from CraftOptics with another frequently asked question. And that question is, hey, I wear progressive lenses, my day-to-day eyeglasses. How does that work with CraftOptics? How are the lenses installed in the frames? And so here's how we do it. And I'm going to break it down into three primary options and try to keep it as simple as possible. The first option, and by far the most common, is we install your prescription as a bifocal with your near correction at the bottom, if you can see that, and your distance correction in the upper part. So when you're wearing your glasses, you can look off in the distance and see the TV, for example. Okay, so that's if you just send in your prescription and you don't say anything, that default is this installation, by far the most common. Keep in mind you can flip up the magnifiers and you can look down and see through your near correction. So that's how we do your normal corrections. Now there is another option, which is option 2, which is we put your near correction in the entire frame. The reason we do that for some people is all they want to see is they want to look at their work, they want to look above the magnifiers and only see near. So they have a good example of this is bench jewelers who have their tools all around them, and they want to just glance above the magnifiers and grab their tool, go back to work, and pick out another. So they only need to see near. They're not watching TV. They're not looking off in the distance. That's single vision. Okay, and when you order, you can indicate that in the notes section in the order. Now, the third option is a little, it wasn't so common before, but in the last year and a half, it's become a lot more common. And that is, we put your intermediate correction in the upper part, okay, of the frame. So when you're wearing your glasses, again, I'm just gonna show you kind of a scenario, is let's say I'm working on something, but I spend most of my time doing my work while watching a computer monitor, a computer screen, or a tablet. When I glance over the magnifiers through the upper part of the glasses, I can see about arm's length. You can see where that is. So that's the intermediate distance that you probably have in your own glasses, day-to-day glasses, that you may not even realize that that's there. So intermediate in the upper part, that's if you spend your time primarily watching courses or video on tablets or computers while you're doing your work. So those are the three. I'll go back through them again real quick. The first is we install your complete prescription as a bifocal with your distance in the upper part. The second is we install your near correction in the entire frame, again, so I can just only see near here. I can't see the TV. A lot of bench jewelers do that. It's pretty common. And finally, the third is we put your intermediate in the upper part of the glasses here. In all cases, your near correction is going to be at the bottom, okay? Because you want to flip up the lenses and see near. That's how it works. If you have questions, give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.